Toklo team mar Ethiopia tielare tuke mag manyo tiko tuke mag pinje Afrika. Team Kenya jotugo manyiri Harambee Starlets timo ikruok margi ne tielo mar ariyo. Harambee Starlets biro rakore gi team mar Gambia ka joloch e kind timbe ariyogo biro ng'ado tiko mar tuke pinje mag Afrika ma ibiro bagi higa manyien. Harambee Starlets biro bago tielo mokwongo Nairobi tugo ma ochan tich abich e alap manyayo National Stadium. Tok bago tielo mokwongo nyidendi mag Beldin Odemba biro dhi nyaka e piny mar Senegal kama gibiro rakore gi Gambia e tielo mar ariyo.
Mimi naweza sema kitu ya kwanza, naweza shukuru God kwa kunipa hiyo opportunity kwa first time yangu ya kwanza kuingia senior team. Juu si rahisi, lazima work hard na ujibelieve na kuwa na confidence ndio uweze kupata hiyo opportunity.
So mimi kupata hii senior call up my first, nilifeel so great and amazing cause tulikuwa pa last time I was in the under 20 team, that was in 2023, and when we played against Cameroon, coach told us that guys go back there, work hard, mpate call up ya senior team, and mkifika hapa senior team muonyeshe what you can have. And me, I'm here today and I'm thanking God for this far because I'm work hard and nipate